Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, February the 8th 2024. Already solved 3 puzzles in this additional: the 3 stars, the 4 stars, Sudoku and the binary. So we have 1 puzzle left, the JigsawSudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 7966. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 16. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Double those numbers, yes, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Alright, first question to you is, can we see here the single box? I see here only 1 single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for there, 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? Let me scan. Triple boxes contains the 1, 2 and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Here we have a quadra box, there we have a quadra box. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 4 could be everywhere. And here another quadra box. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? Nope. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. We have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Well, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Alright. Then the next shape, well, I don't believe there are more. Yeah, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 of them here. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 shapes, figures, structures or constructions, whatever you name it. In this puzzle, yeah, only 2 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 3 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be correction. It can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. So 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Alright. Okay. Then let me think. These two boxes. Oh wait, these. No. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 5. Alright. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 5 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So the other pair in this W area shape should be the numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. Alright. Okay, these two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Okay, 1 and a 2. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4, let me mark those. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 1 there, because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left, the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4 are left. Okay. Yeah, so 3 and the 4. Okay, and now these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have double 3 there. Yeah. So not the solution, place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 in this quadra box should be here. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. Alright, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright, let me think. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4, okay. I think this box should be 3, because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2, should be 3. Can be 4, we have a double 4 there. Can be a 5, yes, definitely 3 here. Alright. This can be 3. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Alright. Well, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution, place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright. Let me think. One. Come on. 1, 3. Two numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 5. And here should be also 2 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 2. Let me think. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3, 4. Well, this box can be 3, can be 5, can be 4. We have the double 4 there, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Yeah, is connected with that box, so we saw 1 and the 2. Okay, we need a 4 in this W area shape, so it could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 4 in this area, okay. I need a 3 also. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 and need more. That box will be a 3, and this box will be a 4. Alright. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes, and there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. Okay. Alright. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 goes together with 1 as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. We have a double 4 there. That means that this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Then. 2 and a 4. Wow. Let me think. 1 and a 3. 3, need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. Well. 1, 2 and a 4. Okay, we go up. This box can be 1, can be 3, can be 4, so 2 numbers left, 2 and a 5. And I need a 4. Well, this box can be 4. We have a double 4 here. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here also. 1 and a 4. Overlooked this 4 here also. 1 and a 4, we already have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Overlooked. 1 or a 2, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 1. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we're so 3. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and a 1. 4 and a 1. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area, yeah. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 1. That means that this box can be 4, and also that box can be 4. We have a double 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. But also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 here. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Well, I cannot place the 2 there. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area. We have one number 2. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well. Not faster than 50 minutes. So not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars. Let me give it a 2 stars. It's a 2 stars puzzle. Yeah. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Thursday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Friday. Yes, last working day of the week. Until then, bye-bye for now.